The SOL Harbour residential complex introduces a new standard of refined coastal living, featuring two impeccably crafted 7-story residences set within lush, resort-style landscaped gardens. These contemporary luxury apartments capture the essence of elevated tropical living, offering breathtaking views of the sparkling Ocho Rios coastline to the north and the serene mountain ranges to the south. Designed for those who appreciate comfort, elegance, and smart investment opportunities, each residence is thoughtfully planned and beautifully appointed. Choose from stylish studio or spacious 2-bedroom layouts, all featuring French or extended balconies, expansive windows, high ceilings, and abundant natural light, creating airy, sophisticated interiors that feel both modern and serene. Life at SOL Harbour is enriched by an array of premium amenities. Enjoy scenic jogging and walking trails, dedicated children's play areas, and tranquil landscape nooks perfect for reading or unwinding outdoors. The elevated pavilion-style clubhouse flows seamlessly onto an expansive pool deck, complete with a main pool and a kiddie pool, all overlooking the iconic Ocho Rios harbor. It's an idyllic setting for relaxation, entertainment, and unforgettable family moments. Make the move today and secure your place at Ocho Rios' most prestigious new address, where luxury, comfort, and Caribbean beauty come together effortlessly. Jamaica is being transformed before our eyes. Join the action. Opportunities are everywhere. If you like this kind of information, please subscribe, like, and share with a friend.